Hello children, today I will tell you how our constitution came into existence. When India gained her freedom, the first task before our leaders was to set up a stable government. So a set of rules or guidelines was made and this gave birth to our constitution, which was formed on 26th January 1950. This day is celebrated in India as the Republic Day. India is one of the largest democratic countries in the world. Democracy means that the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. To govern such a large country efficiently, proper sets of rules are required. So a constitution was formed. The constitution is a detailed and legal document. Amazing fact, the Indian constitution is the longest written constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. The main aim of the constitution was to see that the leaders followed the principles of democracy, socialism, secularism and republicism set by the framers of the constitution. Drafting committee. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was chosen as the chairman of the drafting committee. The fundamental rights are the basic human rights. Every human being has the right to enjoy these rights as they have been guaranteed in the Constitution. Every citizen in a democratic country like India needs these rights in order to grow into a responsible citizen. A citizen can go to the court if he or she is denied these rights. India is a democratic country. The Constitution allows its citizens to enjoy equal rights. They have freedom to express their views. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, etc. Everybody is equal in the eyes of the law and the practice of untouchability is punishable. 1. Right to equality. 2. Right to freedom. 3. Right against exploitation. 4. Right to freedom of religion. 5. Cultural and educational rights. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Do you know? Fundamental rights given in our Constitution have been taken from the American Constitution. Along with the fundamental rights, every citizen also has basic duties towards the nation. These are social and moral obligations to ensure peace and progress of the country. 1. We should respect the Indian Constitution, the national flag and the national anthem. 2. We should help to keep our nation united. 3. We should come forward to help and sacrifice for our nation when required. 4. We should promote the feeling of brotherhood and oneness amongst ourselves and respect each other's right. 5. We should protect and preserve our environment. The fundamental duties help to promote the feeling of patriotism in the citizens, follow a code of conduct, protect the unity of our country, promote the ideas of harmony. Directive principles are given as guidelines by the Constitution to the central and the state governments to follow. These are 1. The government must provide proper living conditions to its people. 2. Every child should go to school and children up to the age of 14 years should be given free and compulsory education. 4. Better living conditions for backward classes like the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. 5. The government should promote public health. 6. The government should promote forest wealth and the wildlife of our country. 7. Cottage industries should also be promoted. 8. Ancient monuments need to be protected. Do you know? Directive principles have been taken from the Irish Ireland Constitution. Let us summarize. A constitution is a set of rules according to which a government runs. The citizens of India have certain fundamental rights. Along with these rights, we have some duties as citizens. Our constitution has laid down some directive principles for the central and the state governments to follow.